Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sort your content by dates in Zedge. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and right now what we need to do is simply go to our profile. The profile's right here. I'm simply gonna click on it, and something like this popped up. Well, there are lots of options. Initially, my username, profile page and statistics. I'm simply gonna go to profile page right here, and this page popped up. Well guys, these are the content that I had uploaded, and right now I want to sort them by date. Do you note that initially they will always be sorted by your upload date? I'm simply gonna click on this drop down button right here, and it's gonna give me a few options like sort by title or by oldest date. It's up to you to choose whichever one you wish. Let's just select the oldest date one, and as you can see, the titles have been sorted. I'm gonna sort by title, and there you go guys. That's how we sort by upload date or any other in Zedge. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.